So in 2020, lost my mom, and I had to figure out, one, how to pay for her funeral in a situation where I was reactive. In addition, transitioning out of the military, still trying to find my purpose. So still, I do what I do to help veterans find their purpose and get the opportunity to be proactive through planning. So as a veteran, I can appreciate when people that are also veterans understand where we came from, understand the interesting dynamic of what we endured. So working with me, you'll get the opportunity to recalibrate your disciplines learned in the military and focus them into becoming a better person financially, personally. One thing I wish everyone knew about money is that your level of development will never exceed your income. So if you can take the time to invest in yourself and implement the tools you learned, you're always going to receive a return on your investment. So I invested my time and resources in a Rhino Boot Camp because I wanted to become a better leader, recalibrate myself personally to where my center is, and also be able to come home as a better person for my wife and my daughter.